Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video today I'm going to share you the lip sync shapes for animation. You might be struggling with creating the shapes of the mouth while animating the lip sync in the animation shots, and today I'm going to share you the lip sync shapes which can help you animate any language in the whole world, no matter what the language is, whether it's the language from the other countries like German, Russian, French, or whether it's any language from the Indian country, maybe Hindi, English, Marathi, whatever it is, every language can be spoken through these basic shapes, and you don't need to create a separate shape for all the letters and all the words which we have in all different languages. So if you are struggling with the lip sync, and if you are really passionate about animation as well, then probably this video is for you. And let's get directly into the video, and I'm going to share you how these shapes work and how this can help you be more productive about your animation. So let's dive deep into the video. Now, if you see here, this is an A shape. If you see the mouth shape, this is A. And whatever you are seeing here on the time slider, so these are the shapes. Through these shapes, you can speak any language you want as an animator. So the first is A. A is a shape which you can create this way. The mouth is, the jaw is a little bit open, and I've written here as well on the sides what the shape is and how does it look. So don't focus on the eyes and everything. This is what we are talking about, only the lip sync. Next is you go to A. Okay, again, this is not a shape separately created. This is just an extended version of your A. So if you have A, you just need to select your jaw and bring it more down, open the mouth more so that you can have the A shape. And this is the A shape. Then we have is E, right? This is E. Again, it depends on your situation, whether the person is sad or happy. You can change these sides of the lips, right? So that you can show whether the character is sad or disgusted or happy, whatever it is. So then you only need to change the sides, the ends of the lips. You don't need to change anything here more often. So these are the basic shapes. These are default shapes. This will not work when you are trying to create shapes, creative shapes for some lip sync. Then you need to change it. But again, these are the basic shapes which can help you do the animation of your lip sync. We move to A, then we have E. Now this is a kind of a shape for E. Then we move to M, B, and P. Now here we have the mouth closed. You just have to close the mouth, and you have to make sure that the gap here, which you are seeing from the nose to the mouth, this should not reduce. What happens is, a lot of times students, what they do is they just close the mouth, but they bring the mouth here somewhere, right? So that is not the right way of creating the shape of M, B, and P. Now, why these three? So whenever you speak M, you speak B, and you speak P. So all these letters, okay, all these letters will have the same shape, which is the mouth closed. Yes, all these shapes will have the mouth closed. So for M, B, and P, you need to create the same shape. Then we move to O. Okay, this is an O shape. Again, you can improve it even more. If it is possible, you can even make it properly round. Okay, when you have the blend shapes and all, you will be able to do it precisely. But when you are having a rig which is a bone rig, or the other rigs, then you might not have completely round shape. But again, you have to be more towards the O shape. Okay, so this is O. Then we have U. Now, the difference between O and U is, for U, the corners of the lips are pinched. It's like they will touch each other. The upper lip and the lower lip will touch each other from the corners, right? And you will not be able to see the teeth. Make sure that the teeth is not visible whenever you are creating a U shape. Okay, this is U. Then is CH, that is ch. In Hindi, we speak as cha, right? So cha is not other than, again, this is not a separate shape. The basic shapes are A, E, M, O, U, and F. These are the basic shapes. But I am getting into a little more shapes where you can use those shapes also, and you don't need to again rectify or modify the other shapes if you create all these shapes. Okay. So we came here as U. U is the same as almost O. You just need to pinch your upper lip and the lower lip. Then we have CH, which is cha. For cha, it is similar to U. It is only that you just bring your teeth visible for CH. It is actually U only, but you just bring your teeth together for that CH shape, cha, right? And then we have L. Now, L is the same as A. If you see here, A, and this is L. This is completely same. You just need to roll your tongue to the upper palate to have the L shape, right? And these are the basic shapes. Remember always, these are the basic shapes. It is not like if I'm showing you the path of doing this shape, then you should only use these shapes. You have to modify the shapes according to your emotion of the shot. If it is sad, if it is happy, if it is frustrated, accordingly, the little bit of the shape will change. It is L. Then we have V. This is V, and we have F. F, right? So these are the key shapes which you can use to do any language of animation. Like you can animate any language in the lip sync through these basic shapes, and you can count it on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost these are 10 shapes which can help you animate the lip sync, whatever language you are looking for to animate. So I hope this video has helped you to create the shapes of lip sync. And if you want such more tutorials and tips about animation, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Naresh Chaudhary Animation. You can search me on Google as well, type Passion Animator, and you can have all the details. And if you are looking to become an animator, if you feel that you need a mentor to guide you and build your animation skills, then you can mention in the comment section about it, and my team will get back to you about how to take it forward. So thank you for watching these videos. If you have any suggestions, if you have any doubts related to any topics, do mention in the comment section so that I can create videos on that and help you in your animation journey. Thank you for watching this video. This is Naresh Chaudhary, India's first passion animator mentor, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.